The problem that our product solves is limited access to personal emergency information and everyday convenience. Many people face emergencies when medical information and emergency contacts are not immediately accessible. For example, in case of an accident, when someone is immobile, no one nearby can easily access medical information or their emergency contacts, and this problem is faced by senior citizens, children, and chronically ill patients.
Our problem area is enormous. We don't just target the emergency identification sector, but also the loss prevention market. Our target market size would be a total of 350 to 450 million users, considering pet owners, senior citizens, children, and institutions. Our problem is important because millions of people need instant and reliable access to their identity, medical details, and emergency contacts during critical moments when even our phones fail.
Looking ahead, we're starting small. In the next 3 weeks, our focus is on getting the product into the hands of a few real testers and gathering their feedback. Over the next 3 months, we'll expand into micro markets, reaching individuals as well as small institutions like schools, clinics, hospitals, and emergency services. This is when our brand identity begins to take shape, supported by social media outreach and word of mouth growth. By the end of the year, we see OneBand evolving from a small product to a growing necessity. We'll scale our marketing, production, and team and begin selling this pan-India while strengthening our B2B partnerships.